Hello, what's up family? I am cleaning out my makeup desk, and about 2 minutes through I was like, maybe I should film a video. I remember when I did my what's in my bag video, some folks were like, I want to see you clean your car or your makeup desk and things like that, and it has been a while, but I am cleaning my makeup desk now. So I'm just going to kind of give you an overview and then time lapse and clean through, and occasionally I'll pick up the camera and show you all what I'm cleaning out and tossing out, and hopefully you all enjoy this video. And let me know, excuse me Maple, excuse me. She found her ball while I was cleaning and now she just wants to keep squeaking it, and it's really inconvenient. It's just coming at the most inconvenient time, you know? She also does this at like 4 in the morning, and I don't like it. I don't appreciate it. I tell her every day. Anyway, if you all like these kinds of videos, then let me know. And okay, so this is a quick overview of my makeup area. I have the IKEA, hello, it's my shirt, my sweater. Shout out to Bonfire fundraiser. But I have an IKEA Mickey desk, I believe, and this is just my daily setup. This is just what it looks like every day. And I have drawers here that are pretty filled, and I also have drawers with all my palettes right here. In this pencil. Why have I kept it? Why? So I'm going through my lip liners eyeliner box. Tell me why I have had this lip liner from Jordana, I think since like 2012. Girl, it is 2018. This one I have also had for a really long time. It's dusty. I don't know if you all can see that, but it's dusty. Oh, did you just see that? Look, it just broke. Yeah, that's done. Okay, what is this? A Laura Mercier. It's an actual freaking pen. Ugh. It smells like a pencil. It smells like a wooden pencil. Also, this barely shows up on my skin. It takes a lot of warming up. I am not a fan. What's this? Well, this is a teeth whitening kit from 2015, which is when I got my braces taken off. I don't think this is good anymore. Okay, what else do we have in here, family? I have divided up this basket into a few different parts. Back here I have like primers, and then over here I have foundation, my eyebrow gel, concealer, moisturizer, this is like the necessities, you know? I have chapstick, eyeshadow primer, and then I have random lipstick that can't fit over here. And then I have hair stuff. So let's see. Well, this is new, so we're gonna keep that. This one, I feel like it still has some life in it, but I mean, not much. Okay, that's it. That's all. We're done. This is a balancing cream gel moisturizer that I have not used. So yeah, I guess keep that. Concealer. So keeping. I like the ColourPop concealers a lot. What are these? Concealer. This is Becca Velvet Blurring Primer. I haven't used this. This is a little sample I got. Look at that. Let's go through all of the lip liners. So I have a lot from ColourPop because they is affordable and, you know, they're good. I like them. I think most of those we can keep. Whoa. Whoa. Do you see this? Why'd you just do that? Why you do me like that? Like, are you okay, sir? Are you okay? Look at how wrong these be doing me. Look. Do I just not know how to sharpen them? Button is my favorite though. I'm not gonna lie. Oh fuck. I'm about to break that shit. What is this one? Oh my gosh. Do you see this? It just keeps happening to me. Maybe it's my fault. What is this one? This one's called Lumiere. I feel like I don't even use this. I don't like pink. Why do I have this? Donation pile. That's for you, moms. Moms. Keep this one. And this one my friend got for me while he was in Korea. Ooh, do you see this point? It's nice. It is nice, and I feel like that's also a color for my mama. TBH. There you go, Ma. No. We're throwing away all of our makeup from 2013 to 2015, okay? That is the theme of today. We're saying peace out 2013 to 2015, or even 2012 to 2015, because TBH, some of my makeup is from back then. Way back then. Okay, I'm zooming in, because I'm just gonna time-lapse my organization of my brushes and some of the other stuff on here. Yeah, you'll just see what it is. Brushes that were in my roll. They're just sitting in my roll. This is not, let me just, this is not a watch me clean my brushes video, okay? I'm not gonna do that. I haven't done that in a minute, longer than a minute. I'm not gonna tell you exactly how long it's been since I've washed my brushes. Just know that it's been a long time, and take a look at my skin and know that I'm okay, all right? That's just what it is. Basically, kind of like my organization style is, I kind of like to put things away if I can, and then I'll kind of categorize things that I can't put away currently. So like this stuff should go with my nail things, nails. This is all gonna go with my bracelets over there, and you know, my other important things. This is getting donated to my mama. That's going to the living room. What else? Yeah, so I'm just kind of starting to make piles, right? And these are my earrings, and then I have a bunch of buttons here from clothes. I think now, because we're at this place with like my stuff on top of here, I need to start putting them away in here. So let's go through all of this stuff. I have like blushes and bronzers in here that are pretty much still full. And I'm pretty much not getting rid of anything in this bin here. So we'll just start making piles and piles. And what, I forgot about this thing. I have not touched this in a long time. It's funny because I thought it was the Dose of Colors Friendcation palette, somehow making it to my drawer already, but it's not. It's not. But let me tell you, why it looks the same. Because it looks the same. That's why. But this is the Tarte Off the Cuff blush palette from like a few years ago. Literally a few years ago. Probably like 2014, I think, is when I bought this for myself. I think it's done. I think 12 months. This is supposed to last for 12 months, it says. 12 months. Where are you, trash can? Where are you? Do you see how full this is? Okay, so we're making some progress here. We've cleared out some things. These are my prescription things. I'm trying to find a place. And contacts. Another bag for a fancy bracelet thing. Okay, more earrings. Bobby pin. Bobby. These are my buttons for clothes that I might fix. And then this, which I think can just live there. This can just live here. And we could just put this there and we'll just leave that there. Okay, this stuff is pins. Safety pins, and then the pins that come from tags on Forever 21 clothes mostly. I always thought, maybe these little light bulb pins would be useful for stuff, and they're not. Let me tell you, they are not. You might as well just get your own regular safety pins, okay? Don't waste your time. So I'm deciding to get one of these plates here. It's supposed to be like a dessert plate, but it looks cute. And I'm thinking I'm just gonna display a bunch of my jewelry there so I remember it's here, it's living, it's accessible. Yeah, I don't know. This part is kind of a mess. Right now, I kind of just live in this palette and kind of just whatever's on top. I would like to be able to see the rest of my makeup, So here's what I decided to do so far with these ColourPop shadows. I just put it in this container. Ideally I'd be able to see the colors all the time, but you know, we're just gonna make do. And these are just gonna live right here, loose. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so I think it's as organized as it's gonna get. It's not perfect, but it's better than before. We kind of just clean things up. And here's the drawers again. They're a little bit neater, a little bit more intuitive. I know where everything is. I can touch it. I can touch it. So that is it for my organizing my makeup stuff video. If you like these kinds of videos, let me know down below. And it is like midnight. I think it's midnight. It's midnight. So I'm about to go to sleep. Good night, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.